Yeah, so I pulled this old box out from underneath the bench, all kinds of stuff in there. I mean, this is stuff that I never really went through. Just stuff that, I grabbed, I don't know, somebody's basement along the way. I'm not sure exactly where, but it's been laying here for a long time. I got all kinds of old cables and sawdust and all kinds of stuff. So just want to go through this and just see if there's anything worthwhile. Here that I could probably do a restore on right now is the magnifying glass. Alright, so we've got this. Alright, so we've got this magnifying glass here. Glass looks like it's in really good shape. Needs to be cleaned up. It's got a lot of just residue on it, sawdust and whatnot. Handle is definitely broken. It's not like it comes apart. It's broken in it's broken into 3 pieces. Alright, so I'll make a new handle for that. Clean this up. Alright, let's go. Okay, so we're just going to set this handle aside, and we're going to bring in a bowl of hot water. We're just going to let that soak in hot water. Just going to add a little bit of super clean to that. Okay. Just that'll help eat through. Alright, so we got the bowl of hot water with the super clean. Got like a very soft makeup brush. Okay, because it's glass. Okay, we don't want to scratch that. So we're just going to use that just to brush this a little bit. Okay. Now that's been sitting for a while. Alright. Some of the stuff is still stuck on here. So we're going to just let that sit. We'll let that sit for, I don't know. Let that sit while we're making the handle. Okay, so while we let the glass portion sit, we've got the handle here, and the old handle, and this is cracked in a few different places, so this is not even usable. Besides that, it's like a plastic. We want to make a nice handle. And we got 4.5 inches long. Seems like a little. Alright, so we cut a billet out of our block that we've been using. Still don't know what kind of wood it is. If you do know what this is, drop us a note. This is a handle we just made out of it the other day for one of our files. We haven't completed it yet. gonna go with 5 inches. Make it a little longer. I think it'll look nice. Alright, so this has been in here for, I don't know, about an hour. In the super clean. And I gotta tell you, this thing is like brand new. Look at that water though. That was crystal clear water. So the super clean just eats through everything. I'm just gonna go. Alright, we're back. Got some paper towels here. Yeah, the super clean removed all of the gunk off of this.